Alocasia Jacqueline, everything about care. Hello, dear plant lovers. Today we're going to talk about one of the most popular houseplants, known not only for its beautiful and unique leaves, but also for being easy to care for. Would you like to turn your Alocasia Jacqueline into a stunning plant that's always healthy and vibrant? Then stay with us until the end of this video. About Alocasia Jacqueline. Alocasia Jacqueline's features distinctive, lance-shaped and prominent leaves with deep wavy edges, giving it an exotic appearance. The glossy green leaves have a unique texture and can grow from 60 to 120 centimeters, creating a bold and eye-cocking presence in any interior space. Also known as Alocasia tonderosa, is a stunning and unique houseplant that has gained popularity among plant enthusiasts. This relatively new species is native to Indonesia and is closely related to the iconic elephant ear plant. Alocasia Jacqueline features lance-shaped, prominent leaves with deep, wavy edges, giving it a prehistoric and exotic appearance. The glossy green leaves have texture and can grow up to 18 inches 45 CE, creating a bold and striking presence in any indoor space. Caring for Alocasia Jacqueline. Lighting. Provide bright, indirect light for your Alocasia Jacqueline. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so place it near a window with filtered light or use sheer curtains to protect it from the sun. Watering. Alocasia Jacqueline prefers consistently moist soil, but be careful not to overwater. Water the plant when the top inch of soil feels dry. Ensure the pot has proper drainage to prevent water from accumulating at the bottom, which could lead to root rot. Humidity. This plant thrives in high humidity. To mimic its natural tropical environment, increase humidity by using a humidifier or placing a shallow tray filled with water and pebbles near the plant. Regular misting can also help. Temperature. Alocasia Jacqueline prefers warm temperatures between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees FLF, extended EPS, and windows before 16 degrees LFE. And keep it away from cold drafts, air conditioners, or heating vents to avoid temperature stress. Soil. Use well-draining, rich, and slightly acidic potting soil. A mix for tropical plants or a combination of peat, perlite, and pine bark works well. Good drainage is key to keeping the roots healthy. Fertilizing. Feed your Alocasia Jacqueline monthly during the growing season, spring and summer, with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Reduce feeding in the fall and winter when the plant is dormant. Pruning. Regularly remove any dead or yellowing leaves to encourage new growth. If the plant becomes leggy or overgrown, trim back any stems to maintain its shape. Repotting. Alocasia Jacqueline may need to be repotted every 1-2 years, or when it outgrows its pot. Choose a pot that is 1-2 inches larger in diameter than the current one to allow for new growth. Propagation methods for alocation. Rhizome Division. In spring or summer, remove the plant from its pot. Carefully separate the new rhizomes that have grown alongside the main plant. Plant each section in a pot with light, well-draining soil and place it in an area with indirect light. Propagation by offsets. Occasionally, this plant produces small offsets that can be separated and planted in a new pot. The offsets should have roots for better growth. Common pests and diseases and how to deal with them. Aphids and spider mites. These pests usually appear on the leaves. To treat them, spray the leaves with a mild soap solution or neem oil. Root rot? This issue is caused by overwatering. Be sure to use well-draining soil and allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Brown spots on leaves. This problem is usually due to low humidity or direct sunlight. Move the plant to a location with higher humidity and indirect light. Seasonal changes. It's important to note that the needs of Alocasia Jacqueline may change with seasonal shifts. For example, during the active growing season, spring and summer, the plant requires more frequent watering and active fertilizing. In contrast, during the dormant season, fall and winter, it needs less watering. Relocating the plant. If you're moving your Alocasia Jacqueline to a new location, avoid sudden changes in light, temperature, or humidity to allow the plant to adjust properly. Leaf care. The leaves of Alocasia Jacqueline are somewhat delicate and can be damaged easily. Be cautious and ensure that they don't come into contact with sharp objects or cutting tools such as knives or sandpaper. Environmental settings. Always aim to keep your Alocasia Jacqueline in a stable environment, ensuring no sudden changes in light, temperature, or humidity. Toxicity to pets. Some species of Alocasia can be harmful to pets. If you have pets, make sure the plants are out of their reach and consult with your veterinarian if necessary. Skin contact. The compounds found in the leaves and stems of Alocasia may cause irritation for some people. Avoid direct contact with the plant on your skin, and if irritation occurs, take appropriate steps for treatment. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about caring for and propagating unique plants, make sure to hit the subscribe button and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our exciting upcoming videos. Feel free to share your questions or experiences with Alocasia Jacqueline in the comments below. We're always eager to hear your thoughts. Thanks for joining us. Stay green and enjoy the beautiful world of plants.